Yabonga, Nyatokoza.
I bless, I'm grateful.
Happy is the man who doesn't walk in sin. Uhleli phansi doesn't sit with a wicked crew. Indlela yakhe is like a tree planted by the water, fruitful and strong, yeah. His leaf doesn't wither, everything he does prospers. Indlela, the path of the righteous. Yayilandela, I follow it with joy. Abantu babi, they're like chaff, mhlume, that the wind drives away. Ngakho-ke, therefore, the wicked won't stand in the judgment, won't rise with the righteous crew. Their way leads to destruction. Indlela yokufa, indlela, the path of the righteous. Yayilandela, I follow it with joy. Indlela yami, the path of the righteous he holds in his hand, but the wicked will perish in their sin. Their way is darkness, won't stand in the light within. The righteous shall flourish like a tree planted strong. Their fruit will prosper, won't wither all day long. Choose the path of life and light, walk in the way of the Lord's delight. In His word we'll find our guide. In His presence it will lead. The path